The Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro boasts a hassle-free installation, promising setup in under 30 seconds. While screws and wiring are optional, their inclusion caters to various installation preferences. This flexibility is a definite plus for renters and homeowners alike. The standout feature is the 1440 by 1440 camera resolution, providing a crisp, clear image that surpasses standard HD doorbells. That 1:1 aspect ratio is also a game-changer, offering a head-to-toe view of visitors, eliminating blind spots that plague other doorbells. No more guessing who's at the door or if that package was actually delivered. The included chime is a welcome addition, offering customizable tunes and volume levels. The option to use a dog bark sound is a clever touch for added security. Two-way audio allows for clear communication with visitors, whether you're home or away. While the doorbell itself offers impressive features, the optional Cam Plus subscription unlocks additional functionality. This upgrade provides person detection, crucial for filtering out unnecessary notifications, and stores full-length video clips in the cloud for 14 days. This is a valuable feature for added security and peace of mind, though it does come at an extra cost. Overall, the Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro offers a compelling combination of easy installation, high-resolution video, and useful features. The 1:1 aspect ratio and included chime set it apart from the competition. The optional Cam Plus subscription adds a layer of premium security features, though the core functionality of the doorbell is impressive even without it. If you're looking for a wire-free doorbell solution with excellent video quality and a simple setup, the Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.